Previously, you learned about the hidden folder called .git that is located in each project. You know that this folder is responsible for keeping track of all changes across a project. How does Git know what branch you're currently on? Let me explain. It keeps a special pointer called head, which is one of the files inside the .git folder. This file refers to the current commit you are viewing. You will now learn how to identify the current commit you are working on. First, open the .git folder on your terminal. Type cd.git and press enter. Next, type cat head and press enter. In Git, we only work on a single branch at a time. This file also exists inside the .git folder under the refs/heads path. Let me show you. Type cd.git and press enter. Next, type cat/refs/heads/main. Press enter. After you enter this command, a single hashed ID appears. This single hashed ID is a reference for the current commit. Let's switch branches to see how the head is moved to point to a new branch. Type git checkout testing and press enter. Next, type git branch and press enter again. This moves the head to point to the testing branch. Let me explain how this happens by using a diagram. We have two branches, the main and testing branch. When you run the checkout command, it moves the head to now point to the testing branch. To check the contents of the head file inside the .git folder, you have to enter the less command. Type less.git/head and press enter. You can now verify that the head has changed from main to testing. Now I will demonstrate how Git head works with a simple example. So I am here in the terminal. To see what branch I am in, I am running git branch. When pressing the enter key, I can see I'm on the main branch. To confirm that, I run the cat.git/head command and press enter. That brings me back to the reference to where it actually points to, namely refs/heads/main. In this case, you can see the reference is pointing to the head's main. If I change my branch to feature testing branches above, I use the git checkout command git checkout feature/testing branches. I then go to my head file inside the Git folder by typing cat.git/head. The ref is now pointing to the feature testing branches, namely refs/head/feature/testing branches. Notice that my branch is up to date with origin/feature/testing branches. I'll go back into my main branch by typing git checkout main and then check the reference file inside the main directory using the cat command again, cat.git/refs/heads/main. When I press enter, I get a hash ID. This is a reference to the latest commits of that working directory. I can show you that if you make a change to any files within this directory, that this ID will then change after a commit has happened. So let's do a simple update to the README file. You can do this with any editor, such as VS Code, or I can also do this by executing the vim command. Type vim readme.md and press enter. When inside the README file, add some text. In this case, add minor update to your my first repo line and save it. Then check the ID again just to verify. Type cat.git/refs/heads/main and enter. If you would like to learn more about Vim, there is a link to an additional reading at the end of this lesson. The ID should be the same because we haven't committed anything. We've just made a change to run the cat command. Therefore, the ID is exactly the same as before. If I do a git status, it is telling me that I have modified the README file. On the screen, the words modified readme.md displays in red. I'll now add that file. The shorthand to add a single file is git add space dot. Type the command and press the enter key. I am then going to do a commit. Type git commit -m for message by adding minor update to the command line and press enter. The data confirms that one file changed, there was one insertion and one deletion. I am using the cat command to verify what is in the reference file by typing cat.git/refs/heads/main. Press the Enter key to confirm that the ID is changed. Originally, the ID started with a 8B55, and now it starts with 9C90. Whenever a change occurs for a commit, this ID will then update to be the latest commit for that working directory. And that's Git head. You now know what the purpose of head is. You can also change the head to point to a different branch.